Here I have iPhone 8 and let me show you how to force restart on that device. So basically let me show you how to accomplish the soft reset operation. So all you need to do is use this sequence of keys. Let's press volume up once, volume down once, and let's start holding power key for 10 seconds. So let me show you. Press volume up, volume down, and power key for 10 seconds. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. Release power key and the device should restart. Excellent. As you can see now, you may use your device. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel.